my name's Colin.
Hi, my name's Mark.
Hi, my name is Sweet. And hi, my name is Claire. And together, we are the Team Color. Yay! Hi guys, Chloe is joining in with this vlog thing.
Yeah, and I'm joining because I did the last video and you guys see me, so that's
We are unboxing these surprise today. So let's take the first one.
Remember the last video when I got these? I want to wear them right now.
Oh, Chloe. Wow, it's all wrapped in bubble wrap. But not the bubble wrap. I think I know. It's
Colin, how do you do this?
And Chloe's got the other one and she's taking it out. She's always joining in. Right now this one has tape now. Which is we need to get this scissors. Yay! Alright, what's in here? Do you reckon, guys? If it's the same one, put the comments below. Oh, it's not!
Look! There's something else in there.
Something else? There's something else in this one. What can it be?
And this one, Colin. You didn't think so.
Oh, look at that! A accordion! Nice.
Don't forget those.
Nicey love dog.
Look. There's something else in there.
I'm a balloon.
Colin, open this one. Actually, you got one.
What in the world is this?
Look, I
have to snip it.
it.
I need to snip it. Good Chloe, but now I need to snip this.
I need to snip this.
Oh, maybe not. Do it the old-fashioned way. Rip it.
There's one more thing in
Ukuleles are very talented. Ukuleles, na 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 na.
Colin, look.
What do we?
Colin, I've got.
I didn't know Chloe has one.
Colin, look, you got the rare one.
The rare one.
See that one?
Yay.
Let's see what I have.
We got both puppies and the puppies are rare on us. This is a little bit tricky, this one is. This is so cute.
By doing a face.
Alright, this is all finished now. Guys, I hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.